I welcome everyone to today's skill session. Today in this evening, we're going to write this quotation, "Ooh, happy day," in such manner that it should come up really well. So we'll add these flowers as 3D flowers. We are going to make first of all, we are going to make the flower in a separate sheet so that we can cut it out and paste it like this. So the material which are required for today's session is extra sheet, pencil, thin marker, brush pen, or any other color for this strip, yellow strip. I'm using brush pens here, stick to stick the flower, and one eraser. We can also make these flowers directly on the sheet, but rather than making these flowers directly on the sheet, I prefer to make it on a separate sheet and then paste it over the sheet. So let us start with the flowers. We are going to make 4 such flowers, and it is very easy to draw these flowers. If you see, there is one oval in between and some random. So the top of the petals are uneven. So petals are going to be shorter in this area. So I'm not making exactly the same, but just to show you that how we can make one and then a bigger one here. The bigger one is overlapped by the small flower. So we'll make according to that. So one set of flower here and the same set of flower like this, you can make it here. And the second one here. Now take the thin marker and give outline, very rough outline, with dots in between as columns. So it is not compulsory to make same flowers. You can make any flowers, the flowers which you know how to make. Go for the easy option. So the main thing which you have to keep in mind is that the petals are broader from the outside and thin from the inside. When you go inside the flower, these are the thinner than this part. And now few of the petals having these kind of lines. So we can also put such lines. Now again, uneven, freehand. Like this. So I'm keeping this aside. Later on, I'm going to cut it down. For a few seconds, I'm going to keep it here so that you can make it. So I got a scissor. So I'm cutting. Let us start with the main sheet. So you can see that we have to draw this yellow stripes first of all. Make lines like these. And now color between 2 lines. Now leave this one and then on alternate ways, fill one, then leave one, fill on alternate ways. We are getting a white line, then yellow stripe, then white stripe, then yellow stripe, then white, then yellow. And to color like this, it is very difficult to use sketch pen, right? So instead of using sketch pen, it is good if you take out the refill of the sketch pen. It must be having a refill inside it. If you open the sketch pen, you will get a refill. If you have brush pen, you can use the brush pen directly. But if you don't have brush pen, what you can do, please take out the refill of the sketch pen and then color like it. It will be easier for you to color it in the faster way. If you have highlighters, then also you can use highlighters. A good option to color it. So I'm using a pencil first of all, or I'm writing directly with this pen, but then you can use pencil instead of this pen. So the word O-O-H. So we are going to write But okay, listen here first of all and then we start. So before writing anything, let me tell you that wherever I have gone down like this is the down stroke, right? I have started from here, going down and then up. So the stroke which is going down like this, I have to double it and double in such a manner that it should merge within the line like this, like this. All right. And then going up means no double, going down means another double, then up and then down again. So notice the pattern that whenever I'm going downward, I'm using the double pattern. Okay. Oh, happy. Same way, I'm doubling the letters, the strokes which are going down. I'm also giving a little bit of thickness to the thin lines, but very less, not as thick as the down strokes. Now the last letter is stay, the last word.
Happy.
Yes, good. Yes, you're doing great. First of all, do it with a pencil and copy the strokes which are going to be thick and then color them. Do it with a pen, the thick pen or the thin pen, whatever you are having, you are using, up to you. All right. So now we are going to add these rays, sunlight rays around it. So leaving some space, not exactly along with it, like this. So I'm using thick marker for this. Also change the direction, otherwise it won't look good. Now we can paste these flowers which we made before the session, in the beginning of the session, like that. So I'm pasting flowers with help of fevistick. One set of flowers here, another set here, just opposite to each other on diagonal sides like this.